chicos, estamos en la Bellota 24 en Badajoz y vamos a hablar con Uwe Valentin, que es el creador o el Master Blaster de Sound of Drums. Sound of Drums es una nueva marca de juegos que ha traído pues sus novedades. Me estaba diciendo Uwe que han nacido hace apenas 3 meses, en noviembre del 23, con lo cual es, como dice él, a very brand new. Entonces, vamos a hablar con él. Vamos, por supuesto, a hablar con él en inglés. Él vienen de Suiza. Él es alemán, pero vive en Suiza. O al revés. Are you Switzerland or live in German, or are you German and live in Switzerland?
I'm European, but born in Germany. I'm German.
Yeah.
But living in Switzerland.
Okay. Pues eso, vive en Suiza y es alemán. Y ha traído unas cosas muy interesantes que ahora nos va a enseñar. Hi, Uwe.
Hola,
nice
compañeros. Hola, ¿todo bien? It's nice to meet you. Thank you very much for joining. I'm the owner of Sound of Drums, a new publishing company. I have been in the publishing business for many years, but one day I decided I want to design and create a very special kind of board games. And I'm very happy that you are joining, and I will show you a little bit what we are doing. I would like to start to show you the series History of the Ancient Seas, which is a Civ building game series. We have in total 3 games, one of which is Hellas, a 2-player version. Then we have a 3-player version which is called Dies Irae. And we have a huge version of the Civ. Oh, it's heavy, it's heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy, and
heavy.
I just bought one because I like it very much. And you will see it in another video that I will do at home with the game, and everybody is going to know about these games, because I think they are quite nice.
Thank you very much. This is the big version of our Civ building series, and what you see here is we have a couple of expansions, like new markets. We have pirates and barbarians as an expansion, new armies, and we have a very nice set of action cards, heroes, and events.
Yeah. Oh, I see that you have a wooden box set.
This is the final, the ultimate version in a very solid box. Yeah. This is a deluxe edition. There are only 50 copies in the world of this version.
Okay, 50 copies. Wow.
Worldwide, and it contains everything that the series offers.
And I think it's very cheap.
It's
for sure. And what's the price? Only for the information of our.
Yeah, it's 399 euros.
Well, I see worse things.
It's very kind of you to say, but really it's 17 kilos of game components. And I can show you the quality of the wooden box over there.
Okay.
In a moment, and we have cotton bags that are in this deluxe version. It's really a true masterpiece.
Can you? Well, if you don't mind, let's go to the table. That you have one of these games, Mare Nostrum.
Yes.
I think is this. And okay, guys, I told you because the last hour I've been with Uwe. He was teaching me on this game. I think it's not the usual Empire of the Mediterranean's game. I think it have more. And okay, let's have a little close on it. It's for 5 players.
Yes.
The other games are for 2 players Hellas and for 3 players Dies Irae.
Yes.
Okay, and this, as you can see, is all the Mediterranean. Well, when I do the video, I take more. I will explain more detailed. But the core of this game, I think, correct me if I'm wrong, is this action cycle, and of course these tracks of technology tracks, if you want, technology culture tracks, and these tracks for economy, and these tracks for other things like stability, control, and supply.
Yes.
And there are a lot of not also components that I think is is very beautiful, but the system is very interesting. As you see in the map, there are lots of different merchandises.
Yes.
And that different merchandises, there are also a part of the core of the game, because with that you are going to be able to improve your technologies and to have a long-term objective in the game.
Yes, and to raise your income, of course.
Yeah, and
the more merchandise you control, the higher is your income level, and the more income level you have, the more you can build, the more you can expand, the more you can develop. Mm-hmm. And the core of the game is very simple. There is no complex procedure.
Yeah.
There are a couple of very easy to understand and very easy to remember mechanics, mm-hmm. but altogether they give a very complex decision finding demand on the players.
Okay.
It's not easy to play and to win the game. It's, as I explained it to you, you need to have a good plan, you need to have a good strategy. There's a huge learning curve when you start to play the game, and it's not easy to master the game. Yeah.
Oh, yes, I see. I agree. Absolutely agree.
Yeah.
And okay, only for your information, this game is for the nowadays standards are a little bit long.
Yes.
A couple of sessions perhaps for the newbies. Uwe told me that Uwe is the designer of this game. Initially, he told me a very nice history about this Karl Hauser design. Karl Hauser, it were your professor.
Yes, he was my professor at university. Mm-hmm. And when I was working in the gaming business, he once called me and said, Uwe, can you come by? I need to show you something. And he showed me a huge game prototype with thousands of playing pieces, with several different merchandise types, and he gave it to me and he said, do something with it. And many years I had it in my cupboard. When I started to create and started Sound of Drums, I said, I wanted to publish a sys building game. And I took his design and I got inspired by him, and I broke it down. I tried to make it playable, and I tried to develop it in a way that it is possible to manufacture it, etc. And I felt that it would be an honest thing to put his name on the box, because all the inspiration, if you want, or just the starting of this process was inspired by him.
Yeah.
So we put his name on the box.
Okay, nice for your part. Okay, and you have also Napoleonic games.
Yes.
Okay, let's go for it.
Yeah. In general, it is like this, that we are doing historical board games, and my passion is war games, historical conflict.
Yeah.
And maybe we just show the game, and then we show this, or you want to show this first?
Well, we are here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, we are here. You're right. here you see the
another box.
yeah, another very nice box. It's also the limited edition in a wooden box. A very high quality, very solid and very heavy box that contains all the components of ILAO 1807, the mounted map.
Mounted map, okay.
Customized dice, and of course the game.
Customized dice? Why?
Yes.
How?
Yeah, they're very
Very
special.
special?
Yes, let me check if I can turn and show you the 6. Yeah, you see that? We did this especially for this game. The die has...
Yeah, the 6 is
the 6 is...
an eagle.
Yeah, and the Russian Saris Eagle, ILAO 1807.
And the French have a French eagle.
Yes, and French of course have a French eagle, so they're really very special. We did them specially for that game, and we will do these dice for every game in the series. We will do these. They're high quality. They're manufactured in Germany by Chessex, which is one of the most renowned dice manufacturer in the world.
Yeah.
And thank you very much, Chessex, for this really great job. You also will find in the deluxe version the situation map, a poster of the Battle of Eylau.
Yes.
This was done by an artist in Austria.
Yes. Wow.
And this was specially done for this game, and again we will do this for each game in the series. It's an 80.
But this is not the board of the game.
No, this is just a situation map that comes with the game.
Yeah.
And it's a really nice artwork. The style is the area style of 19th century, and we have that made by an artist in Austria.
Yeah. Okay. And do you have one not mounted map we can see?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go there to see the game.
Yes. Here you see the setup of the grand battle scenario. It's, Eylau. I played it yesterday with a gamer. We have a tough situation here on that side of the front, and here you can see the map as it will be in the game.
Yeah.
And as you can see,
you like very much circles for actions.
Yeah, that's right. Another cycle here. We have a new style of how to show the turn record track and the weather table. I put away the Swiss chocolate.
No. There are very from Switzerland. They come only good things like chocolate and good games.
Yeah.
So
if someone is joining us here in Badajoz in the Beletacon, we will provide him with Swiss chocolate while playing and while explaining the game.
Yeah, sure. And more or less, what's the combat system and the unit system? I don't see lots of markers and counters in the counters in the armies, so I think that's a good idea.
Yes, absolutely. This design is, we are having here a tactical Napoleonic battle system. We are having infantry battalions, cavalry regiments, and artillery batteries. And one design goal was to avoid to have dozens of different markers attack of the counters. Because personally, I don't like it. We try to find solutions how to avoid these markers. So as you see, you don't have markers like disorganization, or you don't have routes and such.
Or hits.
Absolutely, we found a different solution for that. I think that the system is very elegant.
Yeah.
For example, what we have here is a infantry battalion in column.
Yeah.
If we turn the counter, we have the same infantry unit in line.
Oh yeah.
So by a simple change of the icon, we show the different formation of the unit.
Okay. And I see also some tracks.
Yes.
Outside of the board.
Yes. This is the so-called army board. Here we have orders.
Yes, there is. I'm going with the Russians because there are a lot of light here. Whoa, wow. Yeah.
Anyway, we have here an army track where we keep track of the orders that we give to the different formations, and we keep track of when a formation is activated. It gets a cube here on the track, and the formation can be activated a couple of times. What we try to do with this series is a combination of traditional hex and counter war games with new modern approaches, because I have been working many years in the Euro game style publishing business, and this leads to two things. The one thing is that I try to pay a lot of attention to all details as far as quality of the components is concerned. And the other thing is that I try to break down a little bit this traditional hex and counter either Yugo game concepts. I try to be a little bit more modern. There's a lot of interaction, and again, there's a lot of very easy to remember mechanics. There are no complicated procedures. Every procedure, every rule is very simple per se, but again, they're all connected.
Okay.
And the connection of all these simple aspects, or easy to understand aspects, give a very complicated decision-taking process for the game.
Okay. Yes, I see that there come the professionals. There come the professionals. That is the one who may interview you because it's Tucayo. You know it, and of course is well. Keep an eye on him. Okay, thank you very much. If there is anything more that you want to show me, I'll be delighted. And if not, take a stuka from the neck.
I think we are fine. Huh?
Okay.
Thank you very much for the time that you took. Thank you very much for showing.
A lot of luck for your new brand, for Sounds of Drums, and well, I hope the. Okay, only one thing for our listeners. You told me that there are a couple of commerce or that are going to distribute your products here in Spain.
Yes, you will find the games in some specialized retailers in Spain.
Interludi,
that's
Interludi.
And some others are carrying our products, about which I'm very happy, I'm very grateful for that. I really love the Spanish community. You are very active, you're very nice people. I feel very welcome here in Badajoz. How do we say that?
No, Badajoz.
Badajoz. I really feel very welcome. Really nice people here. Thank you very much for having me here.
Thank you very much, Uwe.
Hasta luego.